Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 75.77% since we initially listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 59 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.28% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the peak of the current trend, which was broken at $171.79. A level that could present a second opportunity to capitalize. According to fan theory, $196.05 may be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 62.33% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 37.89% and 60.58%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of negative 17.32%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 67.98% to negative 17.32% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $55.61 and $143.59. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price up 4.32% on Monday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 4.32% on the last trading day, Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, rising from $166.47 to $173.66. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.85%, reaching a day low of $163.51 and a day high of $174.70. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.75% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 14 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 68 million shares were exchanged for approximately $11.73 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $174.70, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 0.6% or $1.04 below the 52-week high, and 23.6% or $53.64 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price hit $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, continues to demonstrate impressive performance, evidenced by a 4% rise today to $173.04, following a price target upgrade by UBS to $210. The stock recently hit a 52-week high of $174.16, underscoring strong investor confidence, particularly in the artificial intelligence and data center sectors, with a 46% increase over the past 6 months. As AMD approaches its second quarter fiscal year 2025 earnings, expectations are high, fueled by substantial growth in artificial intelligence and data center demands. In its last quarter, AMD reported a remarkable 36% revenue surge and a 55% earnings per share increase year over year, particularly as data center sales surged by 57%. This ongoing momentum suggests a potential for another earnings beat, which could further elevate stock prices. However, AMD faces a competitive threat from ARM Holdings, aiming to capture 50% of the data center central processing unit market by the end of 2025. If successful, this could significantly erode AMD's market share, especially among hyperscalers increasingly adopting ARM-based chips for efficiency and cost savings. Despite doubts about ARM's ambitious goals, even partial success could impact AMD's valuation in the long run. In summary, bullish sentiment around AMD's earnings, combined with its current pricing momentum, suggests a promising short-term outlook. However, the long-term picture may hinge on the competitive landscape and how well AMD navigates potential challenges from emerging players like ARM. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned AMD an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Also, on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned AMD a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned AMD a reduce grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Advanced Micro Devices. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and rate the price-to-book value as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also provided a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart today reflects mostly positive signals. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any declines, support is expected at $161.37 and $140.92. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, July 7, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 28.83%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 66 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $155.61 and $143.40. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking through this level could lead to a decline toward the next support. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $155.61. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $143.40 and $138.43. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $11.20 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.85%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 4.03%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 470 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $155.61. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 35,996 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.405. In total, insiders acquired 623,620 shares and disposed of 817,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $168.03, representing a decrease of 3.24%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which carries a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 88, further amplifying this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices holds several positive signals and has broken through a strong upward trend. Given the stock's solid technical condition, we consider it a favorable option at the current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of July, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by $3.04, starting at $170.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.